Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.